Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree. Come with me. I'm so excited. This is my first time seeing Christmas stuff at my Dollar Tree this year. I'm super excited about it, so be on the lookout for this Come With Me video plus a Dollar Tree haul. So I am so excited that I am back. I'm so excited that you guys clicked on my video. So welcome, thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying with me. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you guys, like, so much. I miss you all. Like, this is just, oh my gosh, so crazy. But Christmas is officially here at Dollar Tree, and they got so many really cool stuff. Some beautiful gift stuff, like, I mean, so much DIYs and stuff. Like, I'm so excited, and I'm like in awe myself. Okay, they got so many beautiful Christmas picks in this year. Like, I definitely want to grab some. Oh, look at how pretty are those. They got like icicle look on it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I mean, look at everything's just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am so excited this year for Christmas. I'm so excited for everything that Dollar Tree is bringing out. Like, I mean, just too cool. I mean, just the endless ideas that you could do. Oh my god, they brought these in. How cute is that? The cute little Santas. These are the clay ornaments. They're too cute. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? That is too cute, guys. You know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two. My Christmas tree the last couple years have been like how would you say? Like, definitely the woods type of look. Really cute. Oh, these are very cute. I mean, they got so many cute Christmas ornaments in. How cute are those? How cute. Do they have more stuff? Season's greetings. Let me move this one over here. That is just too cute. So cute, the little gnome. And then, as you can see, it's not Halloween yet, so I got the Halloween nail polish going. In fact, I need to redo my nails. Oh my gosh, everything is just so cool. I got those last year. These are really good. Cute little owls. Oh my god, are we all ready for Christmas coming up this year? Are you guys ready? Well, they brought these back from last year. I had a couple of these. I had this one, Believe in Christmas, Believe in the Magic of Christmas. And then this one's Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy. Let's see which other ones they have. And I know for sure I had this one last year and I hauled it. Actually, these ones feel a little bit different from last year. These are so cute, guys. I'm just making sure that there's not one more style. And the reason why I'm out so late tonight is because my older son is going to a Gotham Nights for GameStop. So that's why we're out late and I'm at the Dollar Tree right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of those. Get all their cool signs that they have out. Oh, they got these in. These are really cute. That's how that's looking. This one, Reindeer Farm, sleigh rides, hot cocoa, and warm blankets. That's too cute. Too cute. Then they got these in. I got these last year. These are really cute. I'll link that Christmas tree video down below in the descriptions. And then they got, oh, those are cute, the icicles. What's these ones? Oh, the little mini lights. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, so I see they got the Christmas trees in again. Oh, my kids are all here. Give me 1 second. Still have some more Halloween stuff in, but you can see it's pretty much out, you know. I mean, a lot of stuff you gotta grab. Like, if you see it, you gotta grab it when it comes to Dollar Tree. Then some of this stuff right here. We didn't get really the palm reading stuff, so I see they didn't really get that this year, except that's the only thing I've seen. Yeah, okay, so that's looking cute. What do you call them? Plush elves in. Then we've got some baking stuff. They always have the cutest baking stuff. How cute are these? No way. Look at, that's too cute. That's too cute. I'm grabbing one of those. Then look at how cute are these. Oh my gosh, those are too cute. Oh, these are really cute. Warm Wishes, Baking Spirit Sprite. Okay, those are the only two. Warm Wishes, Baking Spirit Sprite. Then they got the tins in. Those are really, really cute. Oh, they got these in. They didn't have these last year at my Dollar Tree, so those are cute. Really cute. And someone left their Dutch Brother coffee there. That's very appealing. Then they got the cute little socks in. Those cute little lights. Oh my gosh, I'm having brain farts everywhere because everything's so cute right now. The little nutcrackers, the little plates. I don't see the glass plates in though. That's the only thing I don't see. That's something I'm definitely looking for. But very, very cute. Oh, okay, so we're in the makeup aisle now. It's not no new makeup I found yet. But there's these are like big bath bombs they have. Space Jam and then Boppy, something like that. And then they got some new nails in. But nothing new here at my bigger Dollar Tree as far as makeup wise. Normally they usually have a lot of finds here, like good makeup, name brand, but nothing this time, not even the Kylie Jenner, Kendall and Kylie bags. That was another find I was looking for. And let me take you a couple other spots and then I'm gonna end this come with me. I appreciate you guys for checking it out. A couple little travel finds. And let me look over here. Found a couple Christmas cups. These are nice until proven naughty, very cute. I'm only a morning person on December 25th. Happy Paul holidays, very cute. Actually looking for the hot cocoa ones, which so far I am not seeing. Let's see. Oh, I found one. That's very cute, but I want like 6 of them, so let's see. I'll grab one. They're very cute. Let me see. So here's some snack stuff. I don't see anything new that I'm sure you guys really haven't seen from anybody else. The common snacks at this store. Yeah, same old, same old. It's a good deal, 6 packs. All right, let me go one more area and then like I said, I'm gonna end this come with me. Okay, I see one other find that I was looking for. These are the aromatherapy alloy socks. They come in the koala bear. This is a unicorn, koala bear again. Then you have a cute little cat, and what is that, like an owl or a penguin? I think it's an owl, but very cute, or a bird. This is a sock aisle. Now this store is always filled with different socks, so you could always find a good good variety of socks and slippers and stuff like that. So then guys, the one of the hidden treasures that I'm so excited about, they have these, like, how would you call them? They are by Jot, and they're extendable drawers organizers. That is really cool. They have it in that size, the smaller size as well. That's really, really cool. And then they got the cute little cup holders, some more extendables, some card holders, very, very cute. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And look how cute these velvet push pins are. Colored pins. I know I'm kind of in a rush on this. I'm sorry guys, but I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for joining me with this Come With Me. I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day, evening, afternoon, whatever time you're watching my video. And I'll see you guys in another video where I'll have more time to go through everything for you guys. But I hope you guys have a great evening. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more.